Hello everyone and welcome to the board. Today is a practice session for problems one rule, PEMDAS. I'll solve the first three with you step by step. The fourth one, that's your test. Let's get started. PEMDAS, quick review. P for parentheses, first. E exponents, none today, we skip. M and D, multiplication and division or equal, left to right. A and S, addition and subtraction, same deal, left to right. Addition is not before subtraction. Question 1. 3 times 6 plus 10 divided by 4. Your option A, B, or C. Take a guess before we start. P, first the parentheses, and inside we have multiplication and addition. Multiplication is stronger. 3 times 6 is 18. Now addition. 18 plus 10 is 28. The parenthesis is done. Last step, 28 divided by 4 is 7. So the answer is C. Okay, question number 2. 23 minus 4 times 9 in parentheses divided by 3. Parentheses first. 4 times 9 is 36. The parenthesis is gone. Now we have subtraction and division. Division is stronger. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Last step, 23 minus 12 is 11. The answer is B. Question 3. 10 plus 8 in parentheses divided by 3 plus 9. Parentheses first. 10 plus 8 is 18. Now division and addition. Division is stronger. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Last step, 6 plus 9 is 15. So the answer is C. Question number 4. 7 plus 2 in parentheses divided by 3 plus 4. Option A, 7. B, 4. C, 6. I'm not going to solve this one. You have tools now. Pause the video, solve it on paper, and write your answer in the comments. A, B, or C. Take your time. That is for today. 4 problems, 1 rule. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for learning with me today. See you in the next one.